Again!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Beaver, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio.
My phone is
southwestern
definitely gonna
Beaver
die.
County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wellsburg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Wrong.
Source, radar indicated.
There.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitten, Steubenville, Wellsburg, West Liberty, Avella, Robinson Township, Toronto, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Follansbee, Midland, and Hooverson Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.